Hello and welcome to my channel Stine Loves Makeup. Today I will be unboxing my Beauty Loop Level 3 box from Mecca. So if you don't know what this is a kind of reward program that Mecca and Mecca Maxima have. And there's 3 levels, level 1, level 2, level 3, and the level depends on how much money you've spent. I was kind of surprised that I've reached level 3 because that means I've spent a lot of money at Mecca. So this year I'll probably go down a few levels because I'm going on a low buy. Anyway, without further ado, let's see what's in my box. So first, this little brochure that tells me what's in it. So I'm going to put that to the side so I can actually be surprised by what's in here. So here we've got a Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara, which is great. I always like to try new mascaras, and small packages like this are good. I'm gonna open it because I'll probably try it. Oh, this kind of reminds me of the Better Than Sex. So I don't really like the Better Than Sex mascara, so we'll see how this goes. Up next, I've got Chantecaille, which is quite a fancy, expensive brand, and this is the Flower Harmonizing Cream. And I'll have to check in a booklet what this does exactly, but interesting. Let's see what it smells like. Not sure how I feel about this scent. I think it might be a bit strong for me, but I'll try it out. Hourglass. I do like Hourglass, and this is the Girl Lip Styler. I've heard really good things about this, but I've never tried one because they're quite expensive. Yeah, so it's like a mini one. That's really cute. And the color is Peacemaker, which is this really nice nude color. And I can definitely wear this. I might wear it for teaching probably. I wear a lot of nude lipsticks for teaching. And yeah, one more thing. And this is Origins Drink Up 10-minute mask to quench skin's thirst. And I love these little masks. I have one of the other masks, the one in the green tube. Can't remember what it's called. But it's really good for my skin because I have sort of eczema prone skin. It's quite dry a lot of the time. So I like to have a mask like this. That'll be useful for me to use, I'm sure. So I'm going to just check what this Chantecaille thing is, the Flower Harmonizing Cream. So the booklet says it's a moisturizer that hydrates skin, and yeah, it hydrates skin, so it's a moisturizer. So I might have a look on the website for the actual ingredients to see if there's anything in there that I think my skin won't handle. But other than that, I think this is a pretty good Beauty Loop box. It's not the most amazing I've ever had, but I'm definitely happy with this Hourglass lipstick. That's definitely the highlight of this box. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what I've gotten in my Beauty Loop box, and stay tuned for more videos. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Have a lovely day.